Welcome again to the world of gadgets and techs. Have you heard about those gadgets that are so cool and amazing they're almost illegal? Yeah, you heard me right. We're talking about stuff that's banned in some places because they're a little too risky and maybe even dangerous. But guess what? You can still get your hands on them online. Just be ready for an adrenaline rush like no other. Check out the multi-pick Kronos lock pick. It's a handy tool for those who need to pick locks, but it's also a bit worrisome to think about the wrong people getting their hands on it. Surprisingly, you can easily find lock-picking tools like this on the internet. The multi-pick Kronos electric lock-pick gun is a popular choice, known for its cutting-edge technology and super quiet operation. It's made in Germany and packs a powerful motor, making it the quietest electronic pick available. With this nifty gadget, you can open most 4, 5 and 6-pin cylinder locks effortlessly. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, making it a breeze to hold and use. This lockpick costs you €245. Mini GPS tracker. This magnetic device can be effortlessly stuck onto any metal surface, like a car or truck. It's designed to be super discreet, so you can easily hide it away and use it for tracking vehicles. The best part is, you don't need to go through the hassle of installation because it comes with powerful magnets that keep it securely attached. Just pop in a working SIM card and you'll be able to get real-time GPS coordinates and track it online using platforms like Google Maps. Oh, and here's a cool bonus. It even has a microphone that lets you listen in on the surroundings without anyone knowing. Pretty sneaky, huh? Check out the link and get it for $23 only. Hey, have you heard about the security tag magnet remover? It's a super handy tool for those security tags that stores put on their merchandise. You know, those things that set off alarms if you accidentally carry them out of the store. Well, this gadget is the solution. Sounds illegal, but you can actually buy it online. With the security tag magnet remover, you can easily remove security tags of all different sizes and shapes. It even comes with a simple manual to help you use it efficiently. It's a real game changer. It costs you only around $4. Not expensive. Check out the link. Look at this handy spy camera pen. It comes in all sorts of designs and it's super easy to use. Just click the button on the end to activate the camera and start recording. You can pause the recording with the same button and turn it off by holding it down. These pens come in HD 720p, 1080p and 2K resolutions. Remember, higher resolution means more storage and longer recording time. Some pens have built-in storage, while others use memory cards. Pretty handy, right? It's a little expensive at $64. This is a versatile gadget originally designed for repairing pipes and leaks. But wait, there's more! With its metal probe and high-quality headphones, this compact device lets you listen through wood, brick walls, windows, doors, and even armor panels. It's portable, thanks to the built-in lithium batteries, and picks up even the faintest sounds in another room. It is like having an X-ray ears. Pretty cool, right? Get ready to hear it all with this powerful little tool. It only costs $20. Grab your own. Imalent MS-18. It's like the king of all flashlights, known for being the brightest and most powerful one out there. We're talking a mind-blowing 100,000 lumens and a beam distance of nearly 4,400 feet. That's some serious brightness and reach. This flashlight has different settings to suit your needs, but hold up! There are some risks to be aware of with these high-powered beasts. If you shine that intense beam directly into someone's eyes, it can cause temporary or even permanent blindness. And watch out for the heat it generates too, because mishandling it can lead to burns. So always use this flashlight responsibly. Get this amazing flashlight for $669. The price is actually expensive. Check out this awesome electric shock ring. It's the ultimate gadget for anyone who wants to stay safe and protected. It looks like a regular piece of jewelry, but here's the deal. It packs a powerful electric shock that can totally stun an attacker. Boom! That gives you the perfect opportunity to make your escape. No problemo. This ring is made with top-notch materials, so you know it's high quality, and the best part, it's rechargeable. That means you're always prepared to defend yourself whenever you need to. Stay safe and stylish with this Sting ring. Get it now for $22. Check out the link. Cofelife handheld voice changer. It's a device that lets you change your voice and make cool sound effects. You've got 7 voice options to choose from, like male to female, female to male, and even robot and Optimus Prime voices.
Autobots, transform!
It's a fun gadget for entertainment, but remember to use it responsibly. Stay cool and have fun with the Cofelife handheld voice changer. It only costs $26. Have you ever heard of the Yellow Jacket stun gun phone case? It's like the ultimate self-defense accessory that doubles as a phone case. Talk about multifunctionality. This bad boy keeps your phone protected while also packing a concealed stun gun. Pretty slick, huh? And here's the best part, it's designed to be super discreet, so nobody will suspect a thing when you're carrying it in your hand. Make sure to handle it responsibly. The case even has a dual push trigger system to prevent any accidental zaps. Stay safe and keep your phone protected with the Yellow Jacket stun gun phone case. Get it now starting from $99. Price may seem bit up, but it's cheap comparing the price of safety. Gerber Keynote. When it comes to buying knives online, you might think getting your hands on sharp ones would be a challenge, but that's not the case at all. There's a wide range of options available, including the Gerber Keynote. It's a cool keychain knife that not only has a reliable key ring, but also a super easy to use sharp blade. These little guys are compact, portable, and perfect for everyday use. They're discreet, yet totally handy. And the best part, they only cost $27. The SRTYH V3 is one cool board that's got it all. You can strap it on your wrist like a smartwatch and rock the power it brings. This bad boy lets you unleash a variety of Wi-Fi attacks, making it the ultimate tool for testing network security. And hey, it's not just about hacking and stuff. This nifty gadget can also double up as a flashlight when you find yourself in those dark moments. Whether you're a pro in the security game or just a curious beginner, the SRTYH V3 is your go-to companion for diving deep into the exciting world of Wi-Fi security. This awesome gadget costs you only $69. Check out the link and grab one for self. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below which gadget you want to buy the most. See you in the next one.